Did you know about this hack for squeezing lemons? Smart! Not enough space in the freezer? If the packaging is too bulky, you can store the meat like this. Problem solved. If you can easily remove the aluminum foil, it means that the fridge seals are not sealing properly. The fix is simple. Use a hairdryer on its minimum heat setting. The heat will restore elasticity to the rubber, ensuring the fridge will seal properly. Difficult to open? Try this. They're all tangled up. Reuse an empty cardboard tube to organize the rubber bands. Ready for use. To slice mushrooms, use this side of the grater. Perfect! Glass too full? Immerse a straw, covering both ends. Get another glass and watch the magic happen. Wow, not even a drop spilled. Don't have the right-sized lid? Use a new shower cap. Can't get spices out of the bottle? Rub the base with another bottle. Now it will work. There is no need to wrap plastic film around the entire bowl. Before cutting it, wind it up. It will fit perfectly. And it will be easier to find the end of the roll next time.